Life as a student can be hectic. With endless textbooks to read, numerous essays to write, and lots of social events to attend, striking a balance can be tricky. So anything that can make your academic life a little easier could be worth looking into. Let's take a look at some best gadgets for students. Before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon so you get notified when we upload the next video. Number 10. iPad Air 2022. A tablet is not as important for the average student as a laptop, but it can be an extremely handy tool for jotting down handwritten notes, doodling ideas, creating presentations, and of course, digital artwork, if that's something that's relevant to you. Apple's latest generation of regular iPads and iPad minis now support Apple Pencil too. This has turned out to be an incredibly convenient move for students all around. Whereas before, only the extremely expensive iPad Pro models supported the Apple Pencil too. Now you can use it on an iPad mini or our selection for 2022, which of course is the iPad Air 2022, which has essentially made the entire Apple iPad Pro lineup a bad buy right now. While a new iPad Pro is on the horizon, you simply cannot go wrong with the latest iPad Air if you need a solid tablet to get you through a day of note-taking, doodling, and sketching. Powered by the same M1 processor that powers the MacBook Air M1, the latest iPad Air is also capable of handling moderate-level image and video rendering work. And that's why it's one of the best gadgets for students. As for digital artists and graphic designers, it's a dream come true. Number 9. Echo Dot 3rd Generation with Clock. When you're busy studying from home, it's useful to have technology that can keep up with you. That's where the Echo Dot comes in. This advanced smart speaker uses voice control technology for music streaming, alarms, news alerts, and more. You can even voice control your smart home. With this technology, you can set an alarm, play your study playlist, and turn on the lights all without getting out of your chair. The 3rd generation of the Echo Dot also features an LED display that will show you the time, temperature, and any timers you have set. This smart speaker offers convenience and efficiency, making it ideal for busy students. Number 8. The Samsung T5 500GB Portable SSD. Skip the portable HDD in favor of a portable SSD in 2022. When time is of the essence, which it often is for a student, solid-state drives are miles ahead of hard drives. Do they cost more and offer a smaller storage capacity? The answer is yes. But do they also transfer files at a speed that no external HDD can ever dream of? Most certainly. Additionally, SSDs are much less susceptible to sector corruption than any HDD. So, which one comes the most recommended in 2022? Keeping a student's budget in mind, it would have to be the Samsung T5 500GB Portable SSD. If you can boost your budget by roughly 18 to 20 pounds, then the Samsung T7 Touch 500GB SSD is a better choice. However, you don't really have to, as the Samsung T5 gets the job done very well. Keep in mind that we are discussing the later model, which offers read speeds of 10 gigs per second and comes with a Gen 2 Type-C port. Number 7. The Rocketbook Reusable Notepad. Most students fall into one of two camps when it comes to taking notes at university: those who prefer to write them by hand and those who would rather type them up. Well, thanks to the Rocketbook, you can now do both simultaneously. All you need to do is write in the Rocketbook using the special pen provided, and then scan it all using the Rocketbook app. Your pages are then optimized and digitized, meaning you can search for specific words just like you would with typed text, assuming your handwriting isn't completely appalling, of course. You can then send your notes to any and all of the most popular platforms, including Google Drive, Evernote, and Dropbox. Number 6. The Lexon Oslo Energy Wireless Charger Speaker. One of the best things about working from the comfort of your own home is that you're able to play your own music. With the Lexon Oslo Energy wireless charger speaker, you'll be able to play your music from wherever you happen to be working, even if you decide to spend an afternoon studying in the backyard. Plus, this 2-in-1 device also acts as a wireless charger for your other electronic devices. Simply place your smartphone directly on top of the device, and within 3 hours, you'll be fully charged. This stylish, minimalistic speaker charger is ideal for students who get bored of working in one place and want to take their makeshift office everywhere they go. Number 5. The Amazon Fire Stick 4K. Planning on working or studying from home this year? You'll probably need a way to enjoy your time off, especially if you're unable to go out as often due to COVID-19. Why not look into upgrading your entertainment system with the incredible Amazon Fire Stick 4K? But the Amazon Fire Stick can also help with your schooling. This device plugs straight into your TV, meaning you can put that Zoom meeting on the big screen or follow along with your favorite lectures. The Fire Stick turns any TV with a USB slot into a functional smart TV. This state-of-the-art Fire Stick also comes with inbuilt Alexa voice technology, so that you don't have to worry about typing a single thing into the search bar. Simply tell the TV what you want to watch, and you'll be up and running. This Fire Stick also provides access to live news and sports, Amazon Music, Spotify, and Pandora, so you can play your favorite playlists and podcasts throughout the day. Number 4. The AFtershockstrex Titanium Headphone. Whether you're looking for headphones for your video conference calls or just for listening to your study playlist, they're an excellent piece of technology to have when you're working from home. AFtershockstrex Titanium headphones deliver amazing quality using unique bone induction technology. This technology also helps you retain situational awareness for when you're out and about. If you're enjoying studying outside or at local cafes, these headphones will help you zone out background noise while keeping you safe. Number 3. The NETGEAR Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6. Studying from home means that you'll probably need to be connecting with teachers and classmates every day via the internet. Unfortunately, most homes tend to have pretty patchy Wi-Fi networks. If you find that your internet strength simply isn't good enough in certain areas of your home, why not invest in the NETGEAR Nighthawk Wi-Fi system and extender? This device promises to remove every single dead zone within a 3,000 square foot area. It also offers much faster internet speeds, so you and your other family members can all work from various devices at once without experiencing any connectivity issues. You won't even need to switch internet providers, as the Nighthawk works as a router replacement. Number 2. The ASUS VivoBook Pro OLED 14-inch. The ASUS VivoBook Pro 14 is likely the best all-purpose laptop a student can buy in early 2022 for more reasons than one. Let's highlight some of those positives next. A brilliant 2880 by 1800 OLED panel steals the show, looking better than 4K displays on laptops twice the asking price here. The RTX 3050 GPU plus AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX plus 16GB RAM combo is capable of handling even moderate multimedia workloads with good performance. You get similar or better multimedia performance than the MacBook Pro 14 at roughly half the price. All that power comes in a 1.19 kilogram package and a price tag that hovers between $950 and £990. One can complain that the webcam is not the best, but it gets the job done. Number 1. The Amazon Kindle. Even if you're a die-hard fan of physical books, the pain of lugging university textbooks around every day might convert you. Before you invest in a Kindle, make sure you're actually able to get the crucial books you need for your course in ebook format. Most of the big-name textbooks will definitely be on there, but some obscure ones might not be. And remember that while you can sell old textbooks, you can't do the same with ebooks. There are 3 models of Kindle, but having tested the most basic offering, we can say with some confidence that you won't need to splash out on the Paperwhite or Oasis to get everything you need. The latest model of the basic Kindle now comes with Bluetooth and a front-lit screen. And, as is the case with most e-readers, the battery can last for weeks on a single charge. Do let us know in the comments which one of them you would like to buy. Thanks for watching.